Hey guys, so recently I decided to pick up the Galaxy Tab A7. Got it on special at Amazon.com. I was looking for a little budget tablet that won't break the bank when I'm just using it in bed, like watching YouTube videos before going to sleep. So just a little bit about the A7. It's Samsung's latest budget friendly tablet. It boasts some pretty okay specs given the cost. I think I paid, let's see what it's listed for here. Yeah, it's actually about what I paid, $154. I think that's with a trade-in. I think I paid closer to like $200. But it's a neat little slick looking thing. Nothing groundbreaking. It has an aluminum back. This part right around here where my mouse is plastic, but you can barely tell. It has quad speakers, folks. At this price, I can honestly say, having played around with this for a little bit now, the sound is actually pretty good. Type-C USB charging, camera's crap, screen is okay. One thing that I actually didn't really like about this is the screen, and you'll notice it in my unboxing that I'm about to show you that the screen is very reflective. I have very sensitive eyes at night. Even with like the blue light filter on, dimness set all the way down, it was almost really hard to look at. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright guys, let's take a look at the box here. Your average Samsung budget packaging. It didn't even come with any plastic wrap, just these two things of tape on the top and the bottom. Here's a look at the front packaging, and you are greeted with the Samsung tablet. Let's put that off to the side for now while we take a deeper look into the box. So nothing really fantastic in here, just a loosely packaged cable and power adapter. Looks like this power brick is actually fairly slow charging. Oh, yeah, I can't really get a good focus on this, but it's not that fast, trust me. So let's put this away for now. And now we're on to the main event. Samsung Tab A7. Comes in this fabric, clothy kind of packaging. Pretty nice. You know, for a budget tablet, this thing is pretty heavy. It's not, it doesn't feel cheap, but I can tell you right away that the screen on this tablet is fairly reflective. It's probably going to bother my eyes, actually. Without even turning it on, I can kind of already tell here. Let's wait for it to power up. Oof. Review coming up.